Welcome to Numero Tech, your gateway to technology and Web3 innovation. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.
If you want to know how to create Google Meet, alright, so that you can use it for meeting, you can and then click on the search bar over here. Alright, you click on the search bar and you type Meet. Alright, so this is actually the Google Meet, or the Meet for handling meetings. Okay, so you go ahead and then click on it. If yours is not updated, it is likely that Google or Play Store will tell you to update it. You go ahead and then update it, then you open it again. Okay, now when you open it, this is how you will see it. You see your email over here, the email that you want to use it for the Google Meet. Okay, so if you want to change it, you just click on it and then you click on switch account over here. All right, and then you click on the arrow here and then you choose the email that you want to actually use it for the meeting. Now when done with that, just go ahead and click on the new we have here. Okay, so you click on new and then here you click on create link. Okay, you click on create link, so you click on it and then it will generate this one for you. So this is your meeting ID. All right, your Google Meet ID that you can share to friends, and here is the copy button, and here is the share, and here is the join. All right, so first what you have to do is to click on the copy sign to copy it, so that when you are done, then you click on join. All right, you have to join the meeting first. Okay,